Hey guys, I'm Eric. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Chevy Malibu, you'll legally need to have trailer wiring installed. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. For today's install, we will not be removing the taillights. We'll be behind the back paneling in the trunk. We'll be doing a quick connect to the taillights. And to start, we'll be removing all the flooring from the trunk. Our next step is gonna be the middle panel. We'll pull out from the back first, and then we'll pull up. Next, we'll be removing these two pins, one here and one here, so that we can get this paneling out of the way into our wiring harness. We'll go and do the same thing on the other side. Now we'll go and push this panel back. Our wiring harness is going to be right here. Next, we'll be installing our T-connect with the yellow wire to the driver's side. Now we're going to ground out our wiring harness. We'll do so with the white wire of the ring terminal. We are going to be using a factory ground, which will be on the inside of the trunk panel. Now we're going to go route our green wire to the passenger side to connect on that side. To keep our installation clean and secure, we're going to route through these panels. We're going to go ahead and do the exact same procedure for hooking up on the passenger side as well. Next, we're going to be installing our power wire. We're going to be going and using our U-Haul exclusive power wire today. It has a protective loom for the engine bay. Now, we'll connect our power wire with our heat shrink butt connector. For the next step, we're going to route our power wire through grommet in the trunk hole to get outside so we can run it to the battery. The grommet is located on the passenger side near the very front of the trunk. We're going to go ahead and mount our wiring module. It will be on the inside of the driver's side of the rail in the trunk panel. We're going to go ahead and put our cargo area back together. We're going to go ahead and leave our 4 flat next to the spare tire for right now. We're now going to be routing the power wire from the back of the car to the front. We're going to be avoiding any moving parts or anything that gets hot. Right now we're going to be going over the fuel tank and a couple of the wires that are hanging down below the vehicle. We're going to secure the power wire to these lines with some zip ties. All right, now that we're at the front of the car, we're going to go and route the wire up through here safely into the battery. Our attachment point to the battery is going to be right beneath this panel, so we're going to go and remove that with the flathead screwdriver. We're going to use this post right here. We're going to go ahead and remove that with a 10mm socket. All right, our final step today is gonna be inserting our U-Haul exclusive power wire into its home. We're also gonna add the fuse after this point. And then I just need to clean up. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com. Now with your wiring powered up, you're all ready to tow a trailer. Stay safe and have fun out there.